on the Biggie P inside the city, I'm taking off. I know these niggas ain't having for real. I got my bags like Young Dolph. Then I hit the trap and talk to my big dog. He know I'm blood for real. That slime, that white chalk. No, I don't even want it for real. I got these hoes all in the party, and then I hop like, oh, she want me, come and get her. I spit Doja for some scribbles. White hoes all in the party. Shit, nigga, drink the liquor. Black hoes in BBL, tryna slide and leave them there. See my partner die, that shit like drama shit. I go take down belt, and I go roll. You know my pills scrap. Why these hoes just keep on dissing? I guess she mad, she ain't get no help. That hoe a scram. I ain't on the beat. No, I still gorilla feet. Got rats inside my pockets, nigga. This a shopping street. Cause on the Biggie P inside the city, I'm taking off. I know these niggas ain't having for real. I got my bags like Young Dolph. Then I hit the trap and talk to my big dog. He know I'm blood for real. That slime, that white chalk. No, I don't even want it for real. I got these hoes all in the party, and then I hop like, oh, she want me, come and get her. I spit Doja for some scribbles. White hoes all in the party. Shit, nigga, drink the liquor. Swear that I'm so tired. Talking to my mama where she told me straight lies. All them niggas did me wrong, I swear them bad ties. I don't even trip about it. Hell no, I don't trip about it. I just get my money. That's the only shit you can really do. I swear these niggas lame here, I swear them not my dudes. These niggas say they game, but they right there when at school. I was out here thinking, nigga, they won't clutching on those tools.
YouTube, what's up, man, and welcome back to the channel. We are back outside for another event. We are out in Cobb County trying to have fun, be safe, and get y'all some good content just like y'all deserve, man. So this one, I think we pulling up
Stay in the middle lane.
Yeah, got it. Ooh, don't hit me now, little Corolla. I'll kill you.
Go past this light. Then at the next one,
if you drive next to people, make sure you know how to drive, because some people will crash out. And when I say crash out, I will crash out by my car. So please drive like your life depends on it, because most of the time it does. It really do. We pulled up
just for a quick second.
All right, yes sir.
Just bands out of here.
We pulled up, man. It's looking official.
This bitch on autopilot. My brother hopped inside the truck, he caught another body. And I love her, rock out for my partners, cause they stay beside me. I'm tryna flex inside this cat, this bitch a wild body. Yeah, now I'm on demon time. Why she tryna fuck on me? Now she got plenty bodies, and I be.
Hey YouTube, tell me why I made it all the way to the front gate and did not know they were doing ID checks. Ridiculous. You know how far that walk was from me? But I got my wallet. At least they checking people. I didn't know this was a hookah spot, but that's what it is. So we about to go back to the front real quick, get this man an ID, check Jew and them out, see what they're doing, and then we will go from there.
Hey Key, this shit crazy.
Y'all, let's cook this shit up.
Make a progress. Feel like I'm in school, gotta make a project. They gon' send the shots, but want me direct. I'm in New York, and they told me they heard some tire scratch. Heard some fucking tire.
What in the dude? Damn.
Crash down in Newport. Goddamn, this hoe is thick as hell. I fucking leave her.
We got the Hellcat. We got the Hellcat and the Scat, bro. We had the Hellcat and the Scat. Which one? You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
No, this mine though. I just got it.
This one?
Yeah.
On the left.
Yeah.
Not the right.
No, I don't know who car that is.
Okay.
I don't know who car that is.
You been fighting on your shit?
Yeah.
Bro.
Damn. Whoever drive this shit can't drive for shit.
I'm about to take that shit.
Oh yeah, that they probably damn.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm finna buy one of them yellow shits. I almost took my whole fucking front.
That's why they put them yellow things on them boats. On them motherfucking boats, man. First of all, you shouldn't even be driving a car that big. There's no reason for it. That should belong at a port.
Why would you drive something so small like a Camaro?
Oh shit, he about to do a burnout.
I go for it. Yeah.
True.
I like playing with him.
Whoa. He meant this, y'all.
You got more control.
That shit thick. But the engine just looked like they threw an engine in, put the turbos on top, and figured out the tubing later.
Yeah, that's how they just did it.
That shit just...
Shit crazy as fuck.
Bro,
Imagine working on this.
that's why the service is so expensive.
You can't even feel rich in there. Like, bro, how the fuck you gonna get that board out?
Yeah, that shit dumb. And then the air filter probably at the bottom.
Yeah, you probably have to take everything.
Drop the whole engine, do an oil change.
That's why, bro. That's why. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Is yours?
Yeah.
Can I drive it?
No.
With the stroker kit. So it's not 4.4, it's a 5 liter. So it's got stage
5 liter V6.
V8, twin turbo. So we build everything, motor, intakes, charge pipes. For this show, we did kind of special. Everybody see, you know, stuff powder coated. So we brought it pure stainless, non-polished, just raw product. This one people see, you know, our finish, how the welds are and everything. So
Yeah. Nah,
you
this
know,
is
stuff that we build.
this is
And
different.
we actually drove it 9 hours from Virginia.
Yeah.
And this thing makes over 1,000 horsepower. So.
Over 1,000.
Damn. It's
And
all-wheel
it-
drive?
No, it's
No,
rear-wheel
rear
drive.
wheel. Okay.
And it's a driver
Yeah.
daily.
No, I like it.
You think that's a comp?
Huh?
You think that's a comp?
Comp, like you mean
Competition.
competition? Or like, oh, it's a competition version. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
There's a lot of products like we make carbon fiber.
They trying to joke. They trying to make some jokes. They know I'm too fast, man. Too fast. Y'all see me one of these? LS swap Porsche, baby.
Great motor, 495.
Hey, best engine ever created was an LS3. Is it cammed?
Yes.
Ooh. Cammed LS3. But see, he had to go custom. He had to go custom on motor mounts and stuff too, though.
They had to fabricate all that.
This is what we call when foreign go get a BBL. This a BBL all day.
I'll drive it. I'll drive these bitches.
Nah, this bitch will drive you. This is definitely it though. This is nice. Let me step to the side just in case.
Too loud?
Let's see what an LS swap Porsche sound like, man. Go ahead, brother, man. You can tell he got cut out. LS and a Porsche. LS and a Porsche. LS on a Porsche, cutouts. That should go from sounding smooth to sounding crazy if he want to. He can literally do it all. What y'all think, man? Would y'all do the Porsche? Or would y'all do the BMW behind me?
Great.
Ooh. I don't know. That was clean.
Listen to fucking trunk.
You ever been with a nigga there? I think I fucked up. Okay. I don't. Okay. This mother. God damn. There's a few things I can fit in that part.
Like it hurt, like it just fucking moves, bro.
Still a Mustang though. Oh my bad, I forgot. One of your favorite cars is a Mustang. Damn.
Ain't tolerate no disrespect, bro.
Yo, why Mustang though? You got BMWs, you got lame ass Dodge. There's so many other cars. All right.
I ain't gonna lie, at least get a Dodge, bro.
Well, I got one now, so you happy?
Exactly. Now, I'm just saying, I'd go like, if I had to, I'd go Dodge over Mustang all day. One, there's no 4-door fast Dodge, really, right? No, I lied, Charger. Mustang. What Mustang got that's 4-door that's fast?
They don't.
Well, Chevy don't either, to be honest.
Yeah. No, you got SS. Well,
No,
it's
2,
two-door.
yeah.
No, not the Chevy SS.
You're right, Chevy SS. That only lasts for like 2 years, but we'll keep it.
I'm not leaving right now.
Stay
You leaving
black.
right now?
We can stay longer.
I mean, it don't matter to me.
If I stay longer, I'm gonna go hook it in. Hey man, hey, but shoot or shoot. I say, Josh, and what's up with you? Check this out, check this out. Rep that shit. Rep that shit. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. All right,
Let me get a roller, bro. Let me get a roller.
You try to kiss me,
I'll
bro.
see you later and shit. Shit. All right, yeah, bet.
Bro, that's the gay as fuck, bro.
Yeah. I got her boxers wet as fuck, boy. Hey, go chase the cars like that. Hey, bro. Hey, y'all. Brando don't come out no more, bruh. This nigga don't come out no more. You know what? You know what's 2 things? You know what's 2 things you got in common with Danny? Nah, too soon. Too soon, bruh. Show me showing this nigga, please. Hey, y'all like and subscribe, bruh. This gonna be me. If y'all don't blow my channel up, this gonna be me. This gonna be me. Look at that. Watch him chase this shit. Jess was here. Hey, Jess was here, bro, and I was opening. I was doing intro vlogs with her, like walking with her. She had. Nah, it's some good shit out here. It's some good shit out here. Watch. Hey, I'm about to. Hey, vlog. I'm gonna record real quick, just like that nigga. I'm gonna go help him out. Be his little friend. Hurry up! That nigga back going bad. Hurry up.
It's your speed right there, ain't it? VO1?
That nigga got a
That nigga look like Quan.
That boy gone. Give me a little rev. Give me a little rev.
Please nah. They want me to put on some shit. I don't hear. Cause on the Biggie P inside the city, I'm taking off. I know these niggas ain't having for real. I got my bags like Young Dolph. Then I hit the trap and talk to my big dog. He know I'm blood for real. That slime, that white chalk. No, I don't even want it for real. I got these hoes all in the party, and then I hop like, oh, she want me, come and get her. I spit Doja for some scribbles. White hoes all in the party. Shit, nigga, drink the liquor. Black hoes in BBL, tryna slide and leave them there. See my partner die, that shit like drama shit. I go take down belt, and I go roll. You know my pills scrap. Why these hoes just keep on dissing? I guess she mad, she ain't get no help. That hoe a scram. My ear on the beat. No, I still gorilla feet. Got rats inside my pockets, nigga. This a shopping spree. Cause on the Biggie P inside the city, I'm taking off. I know these niggas ain't having for real. I got my bags like Young Dolph. Then I hit the trap and talk to my big dog. He know.
Alright, tonight ends it all. Other than that, hope y'all enjoyed. I know it was short and sweet. Popped out to something different, something new. It's like an hour and a half from me. So, hey, content is content. We'll take it at that, man. I love y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, man. Hey, Jess, you know, come on now. You don't need a stud for a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Talking to my mama where she told me straight lies. All those niggas did me wrong, I swear them bad ties. But don't even trip about it, hell no, I don't trip about it. I just get my money. That's the only shit you can really do. I swear these niggas